Pink kitchen accessories you can't live without. Here are some Amazon must-have kitchen products for a pink kitchen. Starting with these pink kitchen cutting boards, they are non-slip and come in a set of 3. A perfect pink kitchen accessory you can't live without for a pink kitchen, and they come in different colors. This knife set is 15 pieces and is a beautiful kitchen product for a pink kitchen, an Amazon must-have kitchen product. This insulated glass mug set of 2 is double-walled and so elegant. Perfect for a morning latte in your pink kitchen. And to make that latte a pink kitchen accessory, you must have for a pink kitchen this handheld milk frother. Other colors are also available. Pink kitchen supplies you can't live without. The link's down below in my description. These pantry labels are an Amazon must-have for kitchen product to stay organized. A 32-ounce pink water bottle with time marker, Amazon must-have, linked below. And your pink kitchen can't live without this pink silicone cooking utensil set. This adorable pink kitchen accessory is an Amazon must-have kitchen product for a pink kitchen. This is a fruit soft serve ice cream maker that can turn any frozen fruit into soft serve ice cream in just a few seconds. Kitchen accessories you can't live without. This clear stackable storage container with a hinged lid is perfect for your countertop. This glass mini cream container is an Amazon must-have kitchen product. It's a kitchen accessory you can't live without. It is so chic, so beautiful. This gold fruit bowl to match pink kitchen supplies, linked below in my description. A girl needs a pink wine opener, of course. This is an electric wine opener. It easily opens a bottle of wine in seconds with just the click of a button. The link's down below in my description. And keep your knife sharp with this pink knife sharpener. Pink kitchen supplies you can't live without. These multi-size pink food storage containers are so cute and stackable, perfect for the pantry or refrigerator. This purple noodle witch is so funny. It sits on the side of your pan and can hold a spoon like a broom. So you never lose your spoon or make a mess. Kitchen accessories you can't live without. And it's also great to hold your lid open and let steam out. This lid holder is amazing. Okay, it's not pink, but what a cool kitchen gadget. Just clip it to the side of your pan and use it to rest your lid while cooking. This air fryer cheat sheet comes with a bunch of cooking ideas and recipes that are magnetic, so you can stick them anywhere and you don't lose them. Pink meal prepping containers are the perfect kitchen accessory you need for your freezer. And these are a great size and they have measurements so you can measure the exact amount of food and freeze them. Okay, so again, not pink, but every girl that loves pink loves bite-sized ice cubes, right? This ice maker is perfect for parties or if you just love to crunch on crushed ice. This cute pink strainer is adjustable and is the perfect size for any sink. A pink kitchen must-have, link below. Of course, a pink kitchen needs pink oven mitts. All of these Amazon must-have kitchen products are linked down below in my description. This adorable pink Brumate is perfect for on the go. It is spill-proof, leak-proof. You can just throw it in your bag. There's a magnetic holder on the top so it doesn't hit your face while you're drinking. Perfect. Perfect pink accessory. It's completely leak and spill-proof. It is the best on-the-go cup you'll ever use. I promise. Check it out. Linked below in my description. Okay, this is amazing. This is a pink cooler that you can take with you anywhere. Fill it up with your favorite beverages, or you can actually make a cocktail inside of it. There's even straps so you can wear it to the next party or picnic you're headed to. There is a pour spout for your favorite cocktails. It's insulated so it keeps the ice cold. More pink accessories. This beautiful table with pink chairs, a pink sofa. What a wonderful accessory that you might be able to see from your kitchen. All linked below down in the description. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.